Hey guys, welcome back. So we got another part. This is for the GoPro. This is for the guys that are going to want to film and stuff to hook up in the thing. So let's open this thing up. It's going to be a quick video again on this one. So part number for this is right here, 295101139. So that's that for that. And this is simple. So basically, grab yourself a GoPro. And stick it in there. She's tight. All right. Doesn't come with this. So basically, if you have a GoPro, you should have a few of these. So let's line it up. Tighten it up. There we go. And it's got two locking mechanisms. It's got this one here. So this one here does what? Okay, so you can turn it. And this one here is for, I don't know. Oh, that you can, no. What's this one for? This one here turns the gear. And this one here, oh, so that's weird. Why is tilt? You can see that it's separate. That's weird. Oh, okay, yeah, duh. It's the lock to lock it in place, so you have to unlock it to put it in. There we go. Learn together. So you guys all know what the bottom lock is, so you basically stick it in there. And then you lock the bottom. And now with this one unlocked, you can either turn the camera towards you, towards the passenger, towards the driver, and then you can tilt on this the way you want it. And filming in front, so it clears the handle for the, and also if you open your window you'll get a perfect view. And then you just lock her into place. That's it, snaps into place, and that's pretty sturdy, doesn't wiggle at all. So that's it. And let's take a look from outside, see what it looks like. So yeah, so pretty simple. So that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you're interested in that GoPro thing, it's pretty simple and pretty easy, and self-adjusting and all that stuff, like it's easy to adjust. So we'll catch you on the next one, and be safe out there on the trails. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, so have some souvenirs and everything if you're not filming for YouTube, but you can still make nice souvenirs for trail rides with friends. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.